at the game. And
I need to pull my hair up to be more sporty.
oh my gosh. And there goes number 23 with a right left hook into the almost to the goal. Bounce off the pole. 5 to 4. 5 to 4.
The score is not right.
12 and a half minutes in the game, y'all.
The score isn't right.
American flags.
I love America.
I love this team, y'all. Okay, let's check it out.
I love this team. I love this game.
There's some hockey players on the ice. See the American flags, y'all?
Black finger. I love my black finger. Is your finger still black?
Cool. He's gonna be like, I'm friends with the two most popular girls and the most popular boy in Nashville. And then he's gonna be like, I really wish that Wade had a 4, but then he'd be like, I'd have to be 444.
Yeah, and it's not, so that doesn't
This
really...
is hockey.
Yeah, I mean, this is hockey. We're not talking about, like, a game with 400s in it, okay?
Which are, like, I mean, like, croquet probably has, like,
Marathons.
Like, maybe badminton.
Marathons.
Yeah, marathons, yeah. I mean, he's not running a fucking marathon.
This is Chase.
This is hockey. I mean, what the puck?
She
Oh my god.
breaks that one.
Oh my god.
I just swallowed my gum. I was laughing so hard. Like, I sucked it down my throat just now.
Go America!
It's right there.
Yeah! Wait, which way would they want to score a goal? This way or that way?
I'm not sure.
Which one is?
Which side are they? Let's find
Go
out.
America!
America! Are you embarrassed to be with this right
No.
Chase! Chase! Red, white, and blue!
Chase! America! America!
You!
Let's make him turn around and then let's do it.
He rarely turns around.
Chase!
He's on the face-off. Shut the fuck up.
Oh my god, it's a face-off. It's a face-off. This is so
That
important.
means face against face.
He won!
Oh!
Yes!
So close.
He won! You almost did it!
They almost
Get it!
No, he did do it, and then they almost
I know, that's what I meant. He almost did it. Like, he almost got a point. Alley-oop! I love it. Interception! Come get
This
it.
is
Come get
bad.
it, boys.
It's rolling.
Wait, so which are they guests or are they home?
I think they're trying to shoot this way. They are trying to shoot this way.
They're probably home.
Probably.
No.
10 minutes
actually,
He thinks they're losing.
they're guests, so if that's right, then they're winning.
They're winning.
They might be winning.
Maybe.
Oh.
Oh, no. Block it. Block that. Assist. That interception.
Triple Salchow!
No.
If I could be anyone in the world, it would be Nancy Kerrigan.
Be the swallow my gum. It's going to take 7 years for it to go. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Get it.
Whoa.
Yeah, good.
Whoa.
Good job. Way to go. Good effort. Hey.
This is the best day.
Yeah!
What's up, Smokey?
I have a sickness.
Me too.
Which score went up? They're home, obviously. Wait.
So
Okay,
we're tied
so
now.
now we're tied.
So we need one more point.
Get him.
Get
Get him.
it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Who do you think the green team is? Like if we called
Shamrocks.
Oh!
I bet they're Shamrocks. Don't you think so?
I feel-
Celtics.
I feel kind of torn then because I'm who do I really want it to?
America. I mean, because maybe you have Irish heritage, but you're American.
Go! Chase! Go! Yeah, go Chase!
On a scale of 1 to 10, how annoyed do you think he is?
Probably not as annoyed as he will be when we left on our show.
Shit. Fuck.
Mother effer.
Shut the fuck up.
I know. Yeah, we can bring it back. It's hard.
Bring it back, y'all.
Wait, what's that song?
Bring him out.
Oh,
Bring
yeah.
him out.
It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth.
It's not bring it back. It's bring him out.
I just got confused.
Oh, okay.
It's emerging. You just want to bring it.
I wanted the lyrics to be bring it back. What is Get it! Yeah! Chase! Come on, Chase! Yeah! Oh, mother!
Such a bad one.
What?
Oh,
Oh,
Lord.
Lord.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord. Say it.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord. They lick my ass, number 5.
Are you allowed to say stuff like that?
Yeah, whatever.
Oh.
There's
You
class.
pretend we don't say whatever.
I know, but, I mean, so you don't think he heard you then?
That's the best part about heckling.
What? They don't.
You know, you heckle members of the other team that you don't know.
Oh. That seems scary and stressful to me.
And like you either
But
say,
exciting.
no, you either say their numbers or you like give them a name that they'll realize that
Hey, Nobby Knees!
Bobby knees.
Hey, pizza knees! That's an inside joke with Chase. He'd get it. Pizza knees! Pizza knees!
Show me some pepperoni!